Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been really enjoying my Ultrahuman ring, but I haven't exercised with this, so I'm kind of curious if it's gonna be like, hey, why is your heart rate so high and why are you stressed out when we're skiing today? Let's get ready to head out. Awesome storm day. So it looks like if my BPM goes over 100, it does log it as stress. And for tomorrow, I want to try this add function here where we could do the skiing one and see if that changes anything. Gonna eat, relax, try to get a good sleep score. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Looks like we did get some more snow, so it'll be another fresh powder day. The plan is to go about the day normally, and when I come back, change the activity from 8 to 9 a.m. to 3 to 4 p.m. depending when we stop. Let's make some breakfast and go skiing. Another great powder day. So when I entered the activity, it changes the stress to sympathetic activation and actually lowers the score. I'm gonna go record another day because when I go back, instead of add activity, I wanna add workout. We'll see what it looks like when it tracks the active workout. There is also a skiing option here. See you guys tomorrow. Amazing bluebird powder day. Same thing as yesterday, it changes the stress to activity. I prefer entering it manually because when I was tracking it today, it would disconnect in the middle here and then I would have to reconnect it. And also I noticed it was draining the phone battery a little bit quicker. Can't wait to see what else we do with the Ultrahuman ring. Video 331 done.